Hello, I'm Heather Cole, President of Lodestar Solutions. Thanks for stopping by to check us out. If you're looking for a place to learn more about business analytics, you've come to the correct place. Lodestar Solutions is an educator and mentor of business analytics to mid-market and enterprise organizations. Our team of seasoned coaches can guide your organization in all aspects of business analytics, including financial, managerial, and operational reporting, dashboarding, mobility, budgeting, forecasting, and predictive analytics. For those of you that are new to running business analytics projects, we've created programs that provide a step-by-step process for requirements gathering, vendor selection, securing funding for new business analytic projects, and project planning. For those of you with a little more experience, we've created programs that help build consensus in your organization. Our Destination Dashboard program guides you as to what goes on a dashboard and how to deliver robust dashboards to the business. These programs are software agnostic, so even if you have a mix of various software in-house, they'll help you reach your business analytics goals. A key ingredient to a successful business analytics program is to have an executive sponsor. So Lodestar created an executive coaching program for business analytics, where we can mentor executives on how to effectively deploy the right internal resources, set realistic expectations, and focus on areas that will provide the fastest ROI to your organization. Lodestar Solutions is a premier IBM reseller of the Business Analytics Suite, which includes Cognos BI, TM1, and SPSS. If you're interested in learning more about the IBM Cognos offering, Lodestar's certified account professionals can educate you on the power of Cognos. We offer competitive prices on IBM Cognos licensing and support renewals. Lodestar Solutions' customizable Cognos training programs can cultivate business analytics knowledge in your team. Our goal is to train your team, power users and end users, to be self-sufficient, saving you significant time and money and increasing your ROI on your project. Of course, we provide a full range of implementation services, including technical, project management, and application consulting on the complete suite of IBM Business Analytics solutions. If you have an IBM support renewal coming up, we'd be happy to provide you a free review of your licenses, educating you on what functionality comes with the licensing you own, and making sure that you have the correct mix. We'll then submit a competitive quote for you to review. Note, the support will still come from IBM. As a premier partner of IBM, we resell IBM support at a tremendous value. We designed our website to provide you with valuable information and educate you on business analytics. So please, take some time and explore it. We will constantly update the content, so if you have ideas on what we should add, let us know. And don't forget to sign up to receive our communications about upcoming events that you will be interested in. I look forward to working with you and have an amazing day.